all regions effective immediately are no longer in the stay-at-home order.
San Diego restaurants and gyms, they can once again open outside only. This morning, California Governor Gavin Newsom lifted that regional stay-at-home order, essentially putting us back in the purple reopening tier. The county addressed this sudden change just this afternoon. Our Laura Acevedo spent time with the county, and a lot of time they've spent today explaining what's going to happen here, Laura.
Yeah, Steve, and the purple tier is what we were in before we entered this regional stay-at-home order. This means that many businesses can once again now open outdoors, but there are still some restrictions. They do still have to follow all health guidelines. Now, let me give you a breakdown of what can and cannot open after this stay-at-home order was lifted. Personal care services can once again open for indoor services. That includes hair salons, barber shops, nail salons, and tattoo parlors. Restaurants, wineries, zoos, and aquariums can open outdoors only. One of the biggest changes this time around is that live entertainment is now allowed also outdoors. The list continues to include places of worship, gyms, movie theaters, museums, and playgrounds. Some things are partially open, like retail, which is maxed out at 25% indoor capacity. Schools will stay in distance learning if not already open in person. Bars and breweries must stay closed unless they serve food and operate as a restaurant. There are still no live audience sports, and amusement parks are still closed.
That is encouraging, but we also want to keep our downward trajectory to get to lower tiers, so we continue to encourage everyone to stay safe. Let's stay open. We are moving in the right direction. Let's try and stay on that direction and trajectory this time.
And just to give you an idea of what it would take to get San Diego from the purple into the less restrictive red tier, our case rate would have to be 7.0 or below. And right now, the county's case rate is at 49.6. So county officials saying there is still so much more to do before we can move into a less restrictive tier. Reporting live, Laura Acevedo, ABC 10 News.
Laura,